Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. The schedule of assembly elections in 5 states including West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu has been announced by the Election Commission today. Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora, who is retiring in the month of April, announced the dates at Vigyan Bhavan in Delhi. Well, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora began by thanking the COVID warriors. He said that elections were held in 18 Rajya Sabha seats in the month of June 2020. He also spoke about the success of Bihar elections that were held in November last year. He further informed that elections will be held for a total of 824 assembly seats in 4 states and 1 union territory, that is Puducherry. There are a total of 18 crore voters in all of these 4 states and 1 union territory put together. The number of polling stations is also going to be increased in these states and union territories. More than 1 lakh polling booths will function in West Bengal alone. Now, CEC Sunil Arora also said that all the election officials who will be working on ground will be vaccinated before the elections, and the polling time has also been increased by an hour. There will be an online enrollment facility. Door-to-door campaign will include a maximum of 5 people, and road shows will be allowed for the candidates. Now, the candidates against whom there are pending criminal cases will have to publish the information in newspapers thrice during the election campaign. Candidates can spend a maximum of 22 lakh rupees in Puducherry for campaigning, whereas in other states this limit is 30 lakh rupees. Now let's talk about the election in phases. For Assam, the election will be conducted in 3 phases. First phase will be on 27th of March, second phase elections will be conducted on 1st of April, and third phase elections will be conducted on April 6th. Whereas elections in 14 districts in Kerala will be held in a single phase on April 6th. Elections to 234 assembly seats in Tamil Nadu will also be held in a single phase on April 6th. Elections to assembly seats in Puducherry will also be held on April 6th. So, in these 2 states and 1 union territory, election will be held, polling will be held on April 6th. Whereas in West Bengal, the election and the polling will go on till 8 phases. First phase will be conducted on March 27th, second phase will be on April 1st, third phase will be conducted on April 6th, fourth phase will be in April 10th, fifth phase will be April 17th, sixth phase will be on April 22nd, and seventh phase will be April 26th. The 8th phase will be April 29th. So, for a month long, this polling will go on in West Bengal. The counting of votes, however, will be done on May 2nd. Now, with the announcement of dates of Model Code of Conduct has also come into effect in all the 4 states and union territory of Puducherry. So, that's all for the latest updates on this matter. Stay tuned to HW News for more updates. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.